I finally got around to unboxing and using the Travelers Company Brass Fountain Pen that I got in my last Amazon.co.jp haul. This is the new shiny brass pen straight out of the box. The pen has a full brass body and is small in size. It's 4 inches long when capped and 5.5 inches when posted. I also have the Travelers Company Brass Ballpoint Pen, and I've been using it for around 6 months. You can see the difference in color between the pens, which is caused by oxidation from aging. Brass items develop a patina over time, showing the love and care that you put into the pen. I love both colors of the new and used pen, but I love that the patina is a reflection of how I use the pen over time. I also have a Kaweco Brass Sport, which I got at the same time as the ballpoint pen. It also has a full brass body, but it is deeper in color than the Travelers Company pens. All 3 of these pens are considered pocket pens, and I really like this size for my hands. Now I'm going to swatch the Travelers Company pens. First off is the Travelers Company Brass Ballpoint Pen. I love this pen because it is one of the few refillable ballpoint pens. This pen uses the same standard converter as the brass fountain pen. Next is the brass fountain pen. The pen has a fine nib and is comfortable to write with.